Hello everybody. It's time for an arts and crafts movie. So I saved that badge off the old 1987 GE refrigerator, and I was trying to figure out what the heck am I going to do with this. And about that time I had a package arrive from a relative, and they had made me a magnet photo thing when they visited recently, just some pictures from that visit. So I've got that on the fridge, and it came with this that peeled off, and it's just an extra bit of magnet. So what I'm going to do is make this into a fridge magnet. So I have a memento from the 87 GE, and wouldn't you know it, it's just about the right size. So I'm going to precisely measure this and then stick it to it. And I think I'll just take the old scissors and give that a cut. Look at that. That's going to be absolutely perfect. I may trim her just a little bit more, just to even it up. Don't think the camera wants to focus today, but there we go. And just for a little bit more, we'll round these corners off. And I do apologize if that doesn't want to focus today. And one more. Got rounded off corners. Now I will take my super glue. Put about one dot on there. Maybe three. And then let's stick it to it. And just like that, I've got a new refrigerator magnet. Perfect. I'll let that dry, then we'll go stick that on the refrigerator. Now that the glue is set up, I'll just go ahead and put that right about there. There we go. So, just a little arts and craft project. Thank you for watching.